line for further command. Kilo Sierra, Tobias, come in.
Tobias, Kilo Sierra.
Okay, Tobias, easy, move forward, 30% power.
Tobias confirmed. Easy, 30% power.
All other tasks. Follow every Tobias and support.
Alpha Juliet.
Come in, Alpha Juliet, this is Kilo Sierra.
Kilo Sierra, we are out on the center, 50 mm, aft, 200 mm.
Copy that, we'll make adjustments. Bridge, JB Bridge, come in please, this is Kilo Sierra.
JB Bridge, Kilo Sierra.
JB Bridge, we need you to commence jack down, 500 mm minus all legs.
Jack down to commence, minus 500 mm all legs.
In the heart of open waters, a massive engineering effort unfolds. The vessel stands steady above the waves, but beneath it lies the true foundation of stability, the Spudcan. This critical structure anchors the ship to the seabed, allowing safe operations even in the roughest conditions. Today, we witness the dedication, skill, and precision of the crew as they work tirelessly to maintain and upgrade the Spudcan system. As the sun begins to set, the golden light washes over the site, reflecting off steel beams and casting long shadows over the sand piles. But the work continues. This is not a project bound by daylight alone. Portable floodlights come on, illuminating the Spudcan area so the crew can carry on safely. The night shift takes over, bringing fresh energy to the task at hand. Through the darkness, welding sparks glow even brighter, like constellations against the night sky. This is more than just construction. It's a testament to human determination and engineering expertise. The Spudcan is more than steel. It's security for every operation this vessel will undertake. It's the silent guardian beneath the waves, holding steady against wind, tide, and time itself. And when the work is finally done, the Spudcan will stand ready once more. A strong foundation forged by skilled hands, uniting man, machine, and the sea in perfect harmony.